Hello world! Today we will see how to draw a flower using Python. So let's start. Let's open the apps. First we will need to import the library random that we will use, the library turtle. So to do that we will write from turtle import, and then we will need to write for e in range, and let's write 12. This is mean that the code that we will write under that will repeat 12 times. So let's write circle to draw a circle. So let's write circle, and here we will write the radius of the circle. Let's write 100, and then let's write RT and 13, and then let's see what we have. Let's speed up the draw. It takes less time. To do that, let's write speed, and let's write the speed that we want. Let's write 18. So as you see, it's work. So now let's change the color. We can change the color by writing color, and here the color that we want, let's write blue. So as you see, it's changed to blue, and we can change the color to red if we want, and let's see. So it's worked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.